Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to make Spotify not lag on phone. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Spotify not lag on phone. Sometimes it is usually because your storage is full or your cache has not been cleared. So this video will help you if your Spotify is a little bit lagging or if there is some kind of difficulties or trouble when you're using your Spotify. So the first thing you need to do to fix your Spotify is by opening up your Spotify. Once you open up Spotify, click on your profile on the top left. After clicking on your profile on the top left, click on settings and privacy. There you go. After clicking on settings and privacy, go down and we'll stop a little bit. And once you're here, you will see data saving and offline. Click on it. After clicking on it, go down. And once you're down, you will be located to storage. So in storage, this part will be the most crucial for not making your Spotify lag. So to make your not Spotify lag, you need to clear your cache. There you go. And your downloads won't be removed. There we go. Clear a cache. After clicking on clearing out cache, click on remove. There you go. So if you have any downloads or caches in your Spotify on your phone, this will help you a lot to not make it lag. So there you go, guys. And a quick tip for you guys before I go: to make your Spotify not lag is by clearing some of your storage on your phone. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.